Hello and welcome to Foodie Zest. Since it's Navratri, today let's make a sweet dish that is rice pudding or rice kheer. So let's see what we need for that. We need 50 grams of rice. Here I have taken Sona Masuri rice. I had washed it thoroughly and I had soaked the rice in water for an hour. Then we need 100 grams of sugar, quarter cup of raisins, quarter cup cashew nuts or almonds, half liter milk, 1 teaspoon ghee and some salt. Let's start making the kheer. Now into a pressure cooker, let's add the rice, milk and sugar. The milk is raw milk, I haven't boiled. Add the sugar and give it a nice mix. Let's cover the cooker and put it on high flame without a weight. Once you see steam coming through the nozzle, you can put the weight. Now you can see the steam, so I'll put the weight and put the flame on the lowest setting. And wait for exactly 30 minutes and our yummy kheer will be ready. So meanwhile, let's heat a pan and add around 1 teaspoon of ghee. This is to fry the raisins and cashews. Since I'm adding almonds, I'll be adding them raw and just fry the raisins alone. If you are adding cashews, you need to fry them as well. Now fry the raisins until they swell up. They are swelled up, let's take them out. Now after exactly half an hour, I have switched off the flame and removed the cooker from this stove top. Let's open the cooker once the pressure is completely released. Our tasty rice pudding is ready. You can see the pink color. Now just add a pinch of salt in order to balance the sweetness. I'll transfer it into a bowl and garnish it with raisins and almonds. This is the easiest kheer or payasam recipe I have ever known, but trust me, this just tastes divine. It's a festive season everywhere, so to double up your enjoyment, try this recipe and surprise your family. Let's meet again with a new interesting recipe. Till then, it's bye from Foodie Zest. Like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching Foodie Zest and keep supporting me.